Hi, welcome. I'm Anshu Khanna. I'm the founder of Royal Fables and of Goodword Media Services. And you're in our little abode, which is where we, the family Khannas, live. You know, it's made with a lot of love. We have 3 children. One is married overseas, one is a famous singer, Kamakshi Khanna, and then we have a son who lives with us. The house is like a collection of all the beautiful memories we have, which come together in a lot of knickknacks we pick up. I bought this glass Tanjore almost 25 years ago from an artist when people didn't even know what Tanjores on glass were. And this is actually pure gold and painting done on glass, which is very tough. But this painting is from Kishangarh, from an artist who's no more. And if you see the intricacies, it's Srinathji on his birthday. So he's in his full refinery. And then of course I have a little, we are all Krishna Bhakts. So we have a little Krishna corner here with all our Krishnas dressed up. And we dress them up like, if it's summer, they wear summer clothes. If it's winter, they wear sweaters. So that's what it is. This is like few beautiful Ravi Verma prints with all dressed up, which I've bought over the years. But this time when we cleaned up the house, I decided to put all of them together. As a publicist, I was really promoting Suhas Roy. So every time I would promote him, he would give me a painting. And that's why we have this beautiful Radha corner. And this corner is very precious to me because it has 2 beautiful paintings which my father left for me. One is a Panchmukhi Ganesha and one is Shiva with his whole family in his Swaroop as a dancer. We love fresco art. So actually we don't believe that everything should be framed. The 2 beautiful things I love about my house is I always keep fresh flowers and I always paint on walls because everybody frames art, but I like them on walls. So that's a fresco which was done within 10 days by this gentleman, where I just gave him a print and he just painted it. It was stunning. So this is my daughter Kamakshi Khanna. She's a singer-songwriter, composer's little room called the Green Room. She does this these series of sessions called the Green Room sessions. So the only thing we have to do is we have to make sure that the walls are green and the art is all green inspired and there's greenery all over. And it's become like a very warm IPR that she owns, and we miss her because now she lives in Bombay. But whenever she's here, she does one session of her green rooms. This is our little bedroom where we literally live. So again, here there are Krishna arts that I got from Kishangarh, a beautiful old Tanjore, pictures of her children and an old 4-poster bed, and this beautiful Gond art which denotes all our 3 kids and all the love that is shared in this house. Family, we love to host parties, and we've had the whole of Delhi come into this little courtyard, which is like literally a coming together of a lot of fun stuff which I've picked up from the streets, from studios, from anywhere and everywhere. Thank you for spending time with us, LBB, and please subscribe for more videos like this to the LBB Homely newsletter.